The track-only car has a redesigned tub with even lighter construction and various dimensional alterations allowed by the lack of road homologation, in addition to a longer wheelbase. We didn't have a millimetre of spare space, so the automobile was built to maintain the packing as compact as possible around the limits of a human being and an engine, Reichmann said. It's nearly exoskeletal in design, with the tub serving as the structure and no coating. That was thrilling, although it happened slowly, due to the wet circumstances and the car's lack of traction control. However, the sun is shining brightly in Homestead, and the TC appears to be operating. Despite this, the naturally aspirated Cosworth V12 will be set to 800 horsepower, adequate for the infield courses, short straights, according to Priaulx, but still 200 horsepower short of its maximum output. The AMR Pro begins its journey on pure electric power, with the V12 engine kicking in at roughly 15 miles per hour. As we rumble out of the pit lane, there's a brief moment of low-rev buzz, but it spends the rest of the four-lap stint near to its 11,000 RPM redline. The level of performance is enormous, but it does not feel impossible. The Valkyrie Pro can create more than 2 g of linear acceleration when fully illuminated, but the fact that those forces are pulling me back into the seat dilutes them in comparison to the considerably more intense loadings I'm feeling as the straps bite during braking. Regardless of the circumstances, the view through the screen appears to be unattainable. Even when the slick tires come up to full temperature, and he starts to get earlier on the throttle, Priaulx is driving into bends at speeds that feel like reality has been sped up. It's as if all the processes of getting a car into and out of a corner are being compacted, but Priaulx and the car appear unfazed.